Remove the contents of the box and place them out for pre-inspection, ensuring that you have received all pieces. Remove all plastic wrap from around your backpack and inspect thoroughly. Unclip the stainless steel latches on the side with the hose. Open the lid of the vacuum and remove all the contents inside the unit. This includes paperwork and accessories. If you've purchased a vacuum with a standard toolkit, check for the following contents: 56-inch 2-piece 2-bend aluminum wand, 14-inch scalloped floor tool, 3-inch horsehair dust brush, 17-inch crevice tool, 5-inch upholstery tool, 50-foot safety power cord with illuminated end, paper disposable bag, and cloth filter bag. Once you've inventoried your attachments, place the micropaper filter bag inside the cloth filter bag. If you're left-handed, mount the hose going to the right. If you're right-handed, mount the hose going to the left. Make sure the latches line up properly with the catch and secure tightly. Attach your 50-foot extension cord to the 17-inch pigtail cord. Verify that your on-off switch is in the off position and plug the extension cord into the wall receptacle. Take the aluminum wand and remove the protective cover. Join both ends of the wand so the button lock snaps into place. Take the 14-inch floor tool and insert it into the plastic receiver located on the end of the aluminum wand, tightening down the tool until it fits snugly yet is able to rotate. Attach the hose cuff from your backpack to the aluminum wand. Notice that the hose cuff that attaches to the wand has a swivel for convenience. Now you're ready to put on your Hipster. Slide the straps over your shoulders and lightly tug down on the straps, being careful not to over-tighten them. Now take your cummerbund waist belt and wrap it around your waist using the Velcro to snugly secure it. Clip your waist belt and pull the right side to tighten. Tighten your shoulder straps and cummerbund straps to your comfort, making sure you don't over-tighten them. Then pull on the flag straps so that the Hipster pulls closer to your body, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit. You're now ready to start vacuuming. Simply follow the waist belt back with your right hand up to the switch and turn on. Begin your vacuuming with ease and comfort.